So today I'm going to start doing some maintenance on the Mini. So let's talk about what we've got here. So the package here from FCP Euro. I normally order my maintenance products from either FCP or ECS or a couple other kind of Euro specific companies. So let's talk a little bit here about what I've got. There's going to be some more stuff on the way, and I'm going to service the Mini. So I have this 2016 John Cooper Works, and I just picked it up, and it's got 40,000 miles on it, but I bought it from a dealership that sells Buick and GMC and stuff, so I'm assuming that it wasn't serviced before I got it. Or at least wasn't serviced with good products. So let's talk about what I've got here. So first off, I have 2 quarts or 2 liters, I guess these are 1 liter bottles, of 7590 Gl5 Gear Oil. So this would be the manual transmission gear oil. And these are recommended for the car. They meet the BMW requirement, which is the MTF LT-2 or MTF LT-3, which is what the manual calls for. This is a Hangst filter. So this is the oil filter that goes in the car. It's a cartridge filter. And Hengst is the OEM supplier. So if you buy the Mini part or the BMW part, it's a Hengst. So you know, this is an OEM filter, but it's a lot less expensive. This is the cabin air filter. So it's a charcoal filter, activated charcoal filter. The Mini takes 2 of them, so I got, you know, it comes in a 2-pack. So this would be the cabin air filter for the HVAC. And then this is engine oil. So I got some Liquid Moly Top Tec 0W20. So let's talk about that really quick. So the Mini Cooper, some of the Mini Coopers call for 530, some of them call for 020. They made a change, I think it was in 2016 or 2017, to the recommendation, and they say that you should use 0W20 in the base, the S, and the John Cooper Works for the F56 body style, which would be, you know, this body style, so from 2014 on. My car actually has a sticker that says 0W20 on it. But the Mini made a change in their recommendation throughout the model years, so some of them might say other stickers. And you know, this was a recommendation from Mini Mania to go with the 0W20. So I picked up the Liquid Moly Top Tec. It meets the BMW Longlife-17, which is what the car calls for, the BMW LL or Long Life. Reasonably, the car calls for 12,000 mile oil change intervals. I'm going to do it every 5,000 regardless. It's not expensive enough to care and not do it more often. So it's going to get oil changes every 5,000 miles. So I've got those as well. I did also pick up this. This is a magnetic oil drain plug. So this is for the engine oil. So this is going to be a drain plug replacement for the existing drain plug that will be magnetic and be able to collect certain metal if there happens to be any shavings or anything like that inside the engine, which does happen from break-in and, you know, running processes. And then the last thing that I'm still waiting on that I don't have yet is I'm going to change the spark plugs, and I'm also at the same time going to change the coils. So the spark plugs I'm going with OEM, and the coils I'm going to replace with Dynon coils, which Dynon coils are made by MSD. Holley owns MSD, and now Dynon and APR. So MSD makes the coils for everybody, but they're labeled as Dynon. So I'm going to put red Dynon coils on there with the factory NGK spark plugs that Mini comes with within the factory heat range. So I've got those products on the way. I'll show you those here shortly.